Okay, here's the plan. For the next few videos, we're playing with Bottarga. Umami, nutty, salt-cured fish eggs that usually just get grated over pasta, but there's a whole world of flavor pairings out there, and this recipe is a copycat of a dish at Tonchin Ramen in Brooklyn. Fingerling potatoes are boiled until they slide off when pierced with a knife or fork. The skin needs to be dry for the next step because we'll melt together butter with soy sauce and rice vinegar and simmer that into a sauce, and then toss the potatoes in that butter mixture for about 10 minutes. The idea is the skins hopefully crisp up in the butter. That's it. We're done cooking. Now we plate and zest just a couple strips of lemon over the potatoes. I don't want to taste the lemon. I just want it to brighten everything up. And now for the star of the show, a healthy grate of Bottarga. How much? Well, if this were snow and you were a kid hoping to not go to school. So a snow day's worth of Bottarga. The full recipe is in the description below and at cookingcompaniontv.com. Hi, I'm Jenna. I make food videos for a living, focusing on fanciful food for playful people. I'm exploring Bottarga in my Hero series, so give me a follow and turn on notifications to get real-time updates of new releases. We'll look at endive and mimolette salad, grilled zucchini and leeks, and a whole platter of Bottarga appetizers.